getting started with circle time. We're going to start off by standing up and saying our Pledge of Allegiance. Right hand on our heart, eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. All right, we're taking a look at the calendar, and it is March 12th. Tomorrow is going to be the 13th, and Sunday will be the 14th. Let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song. Here we go. Days of the week. Days of the week. Snap those fingers. Days of the week. Days of the week. Sing with me. It's Tuesday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Here we go. Your turn. Days of the week. 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 Awesome. And today is Friday, March 12th. 2021. Let's take a look at our pattern. We have a hat and clover, remember? So let's say it together. Hat, hat, clover, 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 clover. Hat, 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 clover, clover, clover. Let's try again. Remember, 3 of each. Here we go. Hat, 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 clover, clover, clover. Hat, 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 clover, 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 hat. What's going to be on Sunday? Hat. And then we'll be back here on Monday. All right. We said it would be sunny today, and it's not really sunny outside. It's just sun. What else is out there with the sun?
Clouds.
Sun and what's blocking the sun? Clouds. There's a little bit of sun peeking out, but there's definitely clouds out there. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow?
Cold.
What kind of weather? Sunny? Sunny with clouds, cloudy, rainy, windy, or snowy?
Cloudy with clouds.
Windy with some clouds. All right. Let's go on, and we're going to say our alphabet together. Everybody ready? Say it with me.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, we're counting to 20. Let's count. You ready? Yeah.
Are we ready to count to 20? Looking at some pictures. What color is fear?
Purple.
Purple. What color is disgust? Green. All right, our nursery rhyme this week is row, row, row your boat. Grab those oars. So let's do it. Row, row. Boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 like the water dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. All right, what number is this? 8. What this? 2. This one? 6. This one? No, not 0. What number is it? What number is it? 10. Come with me. Come on. Here we go. Ready? What number? 4. What number? 7. What number? What number? What number? Good. What number? All right. Here we go. Right here. If you're not going to stand with me, you're going to sit. Then come and stand. All right. What number? What number? 7. What number? 1. What number? 9. What number? 3. What number? 5. Excellent. We've done the letters. What letter is this? L. Then what? F. Then this? E. What is it? E. What is this? H. This one? T. What is this one? I. This one? U. This is the magic? What letter? O. This one? Q. This one? G. What letter is this week? S. 4. What is this yummy thing? Salad. This is? Superman. Here is? Santa. And we have these on our feet? Socks. All right, we're going to get out our board, and you're making on your own the letter S. Yep. Good, I'm glad. That makes me happy. Here we go. What are we making? S. Take your pieces out and flip it over.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
Take the pieces out, flip your board over so it's
Where do you
blue.
start your letters at the top?
Take the pieces out, flip it over so your board's
If you
blue.
want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top.
Here we go. Press the bottom. Flip it over, honey. Yes, good. Where do you start your letters at the top? Here we go. Oz. Reach up. Way up. At the top. This is the top. Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Touch the bottom. Show me the bottom of it.
Way down is at the bottom.
Yes, it's the bottom.
Reach out and touch the bottom.
Here we go. Counting.
1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter,
then you better remember to start it at the top. Going down.
top, top, top.
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top?
Show me the middle.
Oh, it's the middle. Is this the top, top, top? Yes, it's the top, top, top. Where do you start your letters at the top?
Awesome. All right, we're making the letter S today. You're making it on your own, so go ahead. Little curve at the top. Go ahead. Make the whole letter S. Excellent. Oh. Where did that come from? Good job. Good job. Very nice. One more friend to do it. Not yet. We're going to make it together. Turn the other way, honey. Nope, this one has to go the other way first. Yeah. Yes. Say it with me. Little curve. Little curve. Wonderful. What letter did we make? S. All right. Thank you for joining us for Circle Time, building the letter S, and we'll see you next week. Bye, friends.